Afternoon, Adrian Engine Carbon Clean. We've got a vehicle from the 90s here, Mercedes SLK230, 1998, 2.3 petrol, 46,000 on the clock. This has not done many miles at all, this one. Been meticulously looked after by the owner and previous owners, I'm sure. Running very nicely, actually. We have managed to find the diagnostic port. It's located just on the box next to the battery. It's an old style adapter for that we've managed to plug in and get lots of information from, given the age of the vehicle. There's one code that was there, right oxygen sensor upstream of the cat. That did eventually clear, but that's potentially an intermittent code. The owner can get that looked at when he gets round to it. Otherwise, it's running really nicely, this one. Minimal variation on the injector fueling. Everything looks sweet, really nicely looked after, nicely maintained. This is very much about getting it checked over, getting it cleaned up. There's a few historic codes in there. We've sent those through to the owner, but now it's running hopefully back to its best. It's yeah, very, very well looked after. Nice example of this great vehicle.